I'm happiest, I think, when I'm traveling.
Bored out my mind, hometown.
Especially, when there is a pull to some place mystical and I'm just there. It's like so many questions and it's a different feeling altogether.
Ooh, I need my girls to work.
I love when things just show up when I'm not expecting them. It's just like, it's a manifestation at that point because you were thinking about it at some point, but now, no, it just appears magically because you've totally stopped thinking about it. I have lost a lot in life, but I also feel that I've been given a lot, a lot more than I think I can imagine. Life has a strange way of balancing it out.
Just new beach, we be out on the coast. Swimsuit.
I was just writing to myself so that I don't lose myself in love because we all do. So I was just writing notes, and one day, writing everything actually dark, divine, you know, both are part of being human. There's a lot of darkness in us. And one day I just thought, likhte likhte, oh my god, this looks like a book. And that's when I decided to package it and put it in a book form and share it with everyone because it helped me so much in my relationships that I thought it'll help all.
In these streets, music playing all night. Hawaii, I found my.
But I think real joy will be when there is some kind of a change which starts rolling in because marriage and love are such beautiful things, right? And right now they're lost. And I really feel for this generation that they're not able to experience that beautiful feeling because the presence is not there. So the book, if it's able to make difference to even one person, I feel I'll feel good. So when people write to me that, ma'am, that paragraph I really liked and it made me help, something, bring a change in my relationship, that's the joy I'm seeking. Zikr is very personal to me. It's actually my life in pieces in short films. So I really enjoyed making each video, each film, each short film because it carries a part of me which I've lived, which I've experienced. All those feelings, all those emotions which I went through are all in Zikr. And these short films are beautiful. They're going to be with me forever in life. That's a beauty. That I can see them, in flesh. And it's also my way of giving back because I have never lived a traditional life. My life has been non-linear, and despite that, I've really been blessed by God, and it's in a way a proof that we don't have to put ourselves in limitations, and that is why it's so special. Love, I think, is a sweet surrender. It's surrender. The problem is we don't allow ourselves to get into that surrender. It's not weakness, it's a lot of power in surrender. So we don't allow the fall, we don't allow the destruction. Love, I think, has only one purpose in life, and it is to break us open. And we have to allow that because we break open into something authentic. And I think that is a very beautiful thing. It's born out of that pain, that authentic self of ours. And this is what my book Love Vipassana talks about, the good, bad, and ugly that we carry in us. And once we know that, we can do much better in our relationships, in our lives. And what else is self love but knowing ourselves? So, what our ancestors were trying to tell us through Shiva and Shakti was embracing these two energies of divine masculine and divine feminine within us so that we can create a divine union within us, which is totally self love.